I didn't mean to start this video this late, but here we are. Cheers. I may or may not have binge watched a show called I Know We Did Last Summer, and I just finished it. Literally took me less than 24 hours. What the fuck? So here we are now. It's 6 p.m. I believe. I'm still in my PJ and I'm just now starting this vlog. So hello everyone. I've watched a couple of videos of people trying to save their half-wasted day, and not gonna lie, I do not think about filming one of those videos today, but I was planning on starting this vlog, and so this is what we're doing at 6 p.m. because why not? I got a couple of new items to show you guys, and my PJ is actually one of them, so this whole thing kind of worked out fine, I guess. I met my friend Lucy yesterday. We had brunch in Acne Central in this spot called Palette, which is my favorite brunch spot, I could you not. And I wanted to vlog the whole day, but we just got carried away. We couldn't stop talking because we hadn't seen each other in a while, and so there was a lot of tea that needed to be spilled, and so I didn't end up vlogging. And also I ended up getting the worst headache when it was time for me to go home. Though I planned to vlog the rest of the evening, I did not. Of course, being in Acne Central, I had to check out the Primark there. I haven't been to that Primark in ages. If you guys don't know, I used to live in Hackney, and Hackney is definitely a piece of my heart, and that Primark I used to go to all the times. But like I said, I haven't been in so long and it's so changed. They even have self-checkout machines now, which is so wild. I've never seen that in a Primark before. But yeah, I ended up getting a few beats, so I'm gonna show them to you guys. First thing first, I got these pair of black shirts. I used these as PJ, and my old pair was literally so bad, and this part was getting super loose, and so it was like, I need to get a new pair, and these were on sale for £2.50, so why not? Next up, I got these cute little graphic tee. I still need to try these on, so I really hope it fits right, but I thought it was super cute. It says the creation of Adam, and I thought it would go so well with like a pair of jeans. Super obsessed with it. I really hope it fits well. Okay, next up, I was looking for a pair of biker shirts because I got this dress that I got from a charity shop, and I don't think you guys have seen it yet, so I will show it in this video. But I got it for a very good deal. It was £3.50, but the fabric is kind of see-through, and so I was looking for a pair of biker shirts that I could wear underneath, and I found these ones. These are waist shaper shorts, but I thought it could do the trick because the biker short that I was seeing, they were way too long. So yeah, I'm gonna try these bad boy on. Hopefully they do the trick. Including the PJ, that is everything that I got from Primark. And then when I was on my way back home, I got off at Ivory in Islington, the overground. And if you guys are familiar with the area, literally across the street there's a charity shop, so of course I had to get in, although my head was definitely killing me at this point. And I saw these pair of jeans, and I could you not, I had to try these on, and they fit perfectly. Here they are. You guys will see them better in the try on section, but I'm obsessed with these. They're from Zara as well, and oh my god, they're fair. And guess what? I got them for £9. That's mind-blowing. And they're literally brand new. Okay, so this is my cute new little PJ. How cute and adorable. Really wish the shorts had pockets, but other than that, I'm literally obsessed with it. It's so cute and cozy. Next up, these are the shorts. I didn't realize I had this sort of situation going on up here. Like, what sort of cut is this? Not sure I like it, but then again, I got them for £2.50, and I literally just need them as PJ shorts. So okay, up next we have this little t-shirt. I think it fits just right. It's a bit too long for my liking, but that's when these little knots come in hand. I think it looks super cute. I'm very obsessed with the aesthetic of it, and it looks so good with my new jeans. Do you see what I'm talking about? Like the shape of them? so good, and the shade of denim is perfect as well. So this is the dress that I was telling you guys about. I think it's absolutely stunning. It's originally from ASOS, and like I said, I got it from a charity shop for only £3.50. What on earth? I mean, this neckline and little sleeve, so cute, and the back is literally adorable. I don't usually fuck with long dresses unless I get them to wear them at work, and I'm not too sure about how practical these would be with this little sleeve situation, but it's super cute. And now that I got those Primark short type of thing on, I'm actually comfortable in wearing it. I mean, I think you can tell the fabric is see-through, but these guys are totally gonna do the trick. So that was my little haul. I guess we landed with this dress, so I think I'm just gonna keep these on for the rest of the day. I'm not too sure about what to do though, so I think I'm gonna chill out for the rest of the evening, play a bit of guitar, and I'm gonna pick up this vlog when I do something exciting, although that is kind of tricky because I'm filming a whole other video about my summer bucket list. And so all the things that I have in my bucket list, I'm not showing them to you guys like in real time. I'm keeping all the footage for that video. So yeah, I guess I'll see you when I'll see you, which is hopefully soon. Hey, welcome back to the vlog. I think it's been either 1 or 2 weeks ever since I started this one. As you guys saw, I've been to Oxford with my boyfriend for our 1.5 year anniversary, and then we also went to Brighton, although everything that we were meant to do we couldn't really do because of the weather, but I'd say we made the most of our time there. So definitely go check those 2 vlogs out if you haven't done so already. But this vlog, I think, is gonna be a very home vlog. I am leaving to go to Sicily in about a week, and so I have a lot of stuff that I need to do. I still need to pack, I need to figure out what I'm going to be bringing, and I also want to clean my backpack and my Converse. My Converse, oh my god, you guys saw that I went ahead and bleached them, and so they're white now. It's been a while since I bleached them, and I did wear them at home, so I definitely do need to go ahead and give them a good clean. But the shoelace, they literally ripped off while I was in Oxford, and it was a very funny situation, but also it kind of made me want to cry. Like, of course, we go to Oxford and my shoelace literally decided to rip apart. I had to do a very funny note so that I could still walk, but yeah, we got some new shoelace, and so we need to pop these on, and hopefully this one do me good. I also need to film another video today. I'm testing some viral skincare products, and I'm quite excited for that one. There's a lot that we need to do in so little time, so let's get rolling. Okay, so here's my shoes. We're gonna start off by giving them a clean. It's very hard to show you guys what I'm doing, but I basically mix some Oxy with some hot water and some bleach, and now I'm literally scrubbing my shoes with these little things, and then I think the next move is to put them in the washing machine. So it's a couple of days later. You guys saw me working on quite a few things, and I thought I'll come over here to share the results and also wrap up this video before my trip to Italy. So let's start with my Converse. You guys saw me cleaning them. I also added my new lace, and they look pretty good. I mean, if you know, you know. These bad boys were literally mint green, and now they're white. What the heck. So yeah, pretty happy about these. Then next up on my list was to clean my backpack. Let's just say these did not go according to plan. Here she is. I don't know if you're able to tell on camera, but I think I scratched it too hard, and now this backpack is kind of ruined. It's definitely clean, but the fabric is just not the same. I feel like up close you can definitely tell I'm so mad. You guys saw me using a scrubber, and I should have definitely used a sponge instead, because the part where I clean it with the sponge are still intact, and the part when I went full hammer because I really want it to be clean are now whitish, and the color is like faded and all that. You know, what is done is done, can't really go back. But if you have any hacks on how to save it, definitely let me know in the comments. as far as packing goes, I started it already and I am feeling quite confident. I'll have some self-care things that I need to do, but I'm pretty sure I could tackle everything before I need to leave. So this leads me to the end of today's video. I know it's been a bit all over the places, but hopefully you guys didn't mind too much. If you liked it, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what other video you would like to see from me, and if you're new to my channel, of course, don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!